Hi you guys, so this week we have our 5.1 and 5.2 video notes. Please make sure that you submit those on Schoology and answer those questions. Then you are going to do the Desmos Better Deal activity. This is for a grade. You don't have to submit anything, it saves as you go, and I'll be able to see everything on my end. You'll just click the link and then you will complete the activity, and that's all you got to do for that. After that, you will do your 5.2 Big Ideas homework, and then submit your showing work form to Schoology. You'll also notice on our agenda that it says to attend the Zoom on Friday at 10:30, and we're going to go over those video notes to try and have those done beforehand so we can go over questions and work through those together. So that's what we are doing this week. If you have not taken your test yet, please make sure that you go and do that before it goes in as a 0. And that's all we've got for this week. And so I will see you guys on our Zoom on Friday at 10:30. If you have any questions or you need help with anything before then, please email me. I did put some new notes packets in the front office, and so if you want those chapter 5 notes and you want them like physical notes, not just the virtual notes, then come on up to the school and they're in the front office for you. All right, I'll see you guys on Friday. I'm going to let you get to work.